brakes all nice and warm up because everything revolves around those brakes. The brakes make up a big chunk of the money of the disc bike world. WF800R. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Run ahead, give a round of applause. Woo! Oh, Superman would not be in it. Now he's proudly sponsored by BMW Motorrad UK. You can understand why BMW willing to put their name behind this guy. Winning championships up and down the country and all over the world. He's performed throughout Ireland, the UK, Europe, Asia, and even South Africa. The 800cc BMW is not the 16.5 seconds. It's not built for long top speed. In fact, the top speed of this bike is over 100 miles an hour. It's a stunt bike. It doesn't need to go that fast. It's all about the torque. Hence, they're not the 60 and 5. As you can see on the back, he's got the really rail fitted. Oh, did no hands? It's all about precision and control. Just think, one little mistake will cost you a fortune.